Tired of PayPal holding you back from starting your transcription journey with Sribe? Good news, while PayPal is a common payment method, Sribe often provides alternative options to ensure you can get paid for your hard work first. Head over to the Sribe website and look for their facts section or payment information page. Many transcription platforms offer direct bank transfers, so check if Sribe requires this information during the sign-up process or within your account settings. Look for fields to enter your bank name, account number, and routing number. They might also support other online payment platforms like Payoneer, Wise, or Skrill. See if these are listed as viable options when you configure your payment preferences on the Sribe platform. If you can't find the information, don't hesitate to contact Sribe support team directly through their website or email. Ask them about available payment alternatives to PayPal. With a little digging and by exploring alternative payment methods, you can start transcribing with Sribe and get paid, even without a PayPal account.